Hello, our friends. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will introduce a new and smart and mini DTF printer that we modify based on the Epson models. Let's introduce the smart function based on this printer. Okay. The first point, this printer already with the smart white ink system is with the function that we can working with the mixer and the ink circulatory system inside. Even we connect the power for the printer that should be automatic to working with the mixer and ink circulatory system inside. Now the function, even we know usually we can't direct print film by a normal Epson printers. So now we change the printer can be direct to print with a DTF sheet. Okay, so later we will do a print. And also that printer will work with the original RAP software. That will be easy to work, to be changed the color and the white, easy to work out. We can set up the layout, and also we can set the printer, set the colors, and also edit the SC profile. That will be easy to control as we work in the old one. So this will be very easy to be worked out. And now we can see that the printer also will make the class system with the printer together. We can easily to be moving and to somewhere. So and here also have the AD logo design. So you also can be requirements for your logo design. So we can customize for the requirements. Okay. And that we can see. We also changed the paper tray to make more flat, and that will be help us to do print out the sheet, the no damage during the print. Another point, even the normal printer that should be requirements with the ink tank requirements. It's because the date of the inside the chip. Even we're doing the cleaning and the charge ink, that very easily and the short time to working with an original Epson with ink tank. So now we can direct working without this ink tank with the printer. So now we're moving this one out. That will save your print cost. Okay. That printer also have a function. Even we get the power on, we just go out to make the printer working on. That printer have a function. It should be automatic to do the head cleaning. That will be take a little bit ink cleaning out, but our print head never gets clean. So even you want to ready to do a print, we just do one time head cleaning, so we can go into our. And also we see we modify a plate for the paper tray that can be controlled. The paper comes out more smooth, so even help out to get no damage after the print. So that will help out to save the print and save the film and the ink. Yeah. And also that we see that the printer and the printing technology are mostly by the Epson, so we can get the step print and the more quiet to print, even get the work. And with the printer that become with the PET sheet and also the color ink set. So we also make the ICC for both the printing setting, the software, and the medium inks is become out with ICC profile. That will help us to get the more better and the colorful print. So we can see some of the print sheet come from these printers. The last point, even you know, full color almost supplier one-stop supplier for your DTF print. So we not even sell you the printer. So we also support the print technology and also the transfer print technology, even from the printer and the ink, film, powder, and the transfer printing. Even you get any issue or requirements, so we can support you one by one. That will be direct to solving your question or your problems. Okay, so now let's see how the printer working. Okay, let's go. Now printer should be take the waste ink tank out and just get ready one sheet of the film. Now, like we go a low a print day, that the printer ready. Okay, we are going to the printer driver that's inside our computers. We do one times heat cleaning. Okay, so we see the function that printer already stored to work in the measure and the circulatory system with the printers. Now the sound comes out from the printer. Let's get the cleaning, the out cleaning. Okay, it will take you about 1 more minute. But here that we see, we also have the waste ink bottle with this ink system. That's all cleaning out the waste ink will come out inside this bottle. And here inside also have the function alert. Even you get the beeping from inside and the light on, that we should go to clean or empty this bottle in times. Okay. So even during the cleaning, we are going to the RAP software. We are going to one full set of the photo print. So, okay, we are setting the layer of size or the print size. That's the biggest that I want. And here we print the Epson Eco Tank L8050 and doing the same. So this one is the original, the RAP, so we can work it out. Okay, okay, let's change it more faster. This one, and then now the ink limit. Here, the step we should be changing the normal color to the white color, so we can print the color and the white at the same times. Okay, if everything check out, like the white colors, we are setting 100% the white under any color the busy. Okay. Yeah, that's heat cleaning. Where we take a while, then we can take a logic check print. Okay, now finish. We just do a logic check print and the print. So that we can see the printer will loading the film sheet to print out the logic check sheet. Okay. It's working right now. So we can see mostly that the white ink should be 100% coming out with the logic check. It means that very smart and very quick that we can go to do a print. Now we are going to do a print inside software. Okay, print the color first and the white and the color same times to do print. Here will be take about 3 to 5 seconds. That's send rip the file to send to print. Remember, now the printer is working without any the waste ink books inside the printers. Okay, right now it's not in place of the paper sheet, so we go into set, increase place, just loading paper sheet. Now you can see that the frame sheet are stored to moving, so it means the printer gets the working right now. So we can follow in the camera so we can see how it's print. And the printer now is working without the waste ink tank and the no chip requirements. So that will be saving the print cost always. Okay, so like this A4 sheet, that should be take one print 3 minutes around, that depend on your size and the colors. So that will be very faster than the older version, the Epson old models. So it will save the times to get a print. Okay, that's the final print sheet. We can get about the colors and the resolution with the print as this printer. For this printer, that will be very smart. So no need to do too much the maintenance and the head cleaning. Sometimes the older version we need to take out the print head to do a head cleaning. But for this one, only need to keep the printer power on. Is automatic to do the maintenance for the print head, so that we will never get so much the clog with our printers. This will very be important thing for you to do a DTF print. Okay, if you are interested in the DTF or interested in our printers, you can contact us anytime, the WhatsApp, email, or the message. Okay, thank you, bye bye.